This is the Hyundai Ioniq 5N, probably the first proper electric performance car this side of ultra-exclusive, ultra-expensive exotics. The Hyundai Ioniq 5N is a ludicrously quick electric car and great fun to drive on a twisty road or racetrack. But the gimmicks and endless settings might put you off. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. The Hyundai Ioniq 5N is a thrilling electric vehicle, combining speed and fun with a touch of humor. With 650 horsepower, it's designed for both twisty roads and tracks, offering a unique driving experience with simulated engine sounds. This electric SUV accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. It features all-wheel drive and a twin-motor setup, ensuring a rocket-like performance. Despite its weight, it handles corners with agility, making it a joy to drive. Inside, the Ioniq 5N offers a spacious cabin with sporty bucket seats and a twin-screen infotainment system. The 480-liter boot provides ample space for daily needs. It's practical yet packed with tech, catering to both enthusiasts and families. At first glance, the Hyundai Ioniq 5N looks like a lot of money for an electric family hatchback, but its £65,000 starting price is actually remarkably good value compared with other fast EVs you might consider. Priced between £65,000 and £66,250, the Ioniq 5N offers great value compared to rivals like the Kia EV6 GT and Ford Mustang Mach-E GT. The Hyundai Ioniq 5N is a fascinating blend of performance and practicality. The gear shifts are clever too, because the car subtly jolts to trick your brain into believing each shift is real. It's silly, it's largely pointless, but it's good fun. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 is a big car, and you really feel that from behind the wheel because the passenger side door looks miles away. There's a decent amount of adjustment in the seats and steering wheel, so it's not too difficult to get yourself into a comfortable driving position, and you can get fairly low for that true sporty feel. The door bins are quite small, though there is a cutout for a water bottle, and you get a couple of cup holders in the center console that can be retracted to provide more storage space. There are 3 USB-C charging slots up front and a 12V slot. Its quirky features like fake gear shifts add to its charm. For those seeking a fun, fast electric car, it's a compelling choice worth considering. The Ioniq 5N comes with dual motors for all-wheel drive, delivering 609 GP in standard mode. Hit the NGB button and you get a boost to 650 GP for 10 seconds. This power propels the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds, or 3.4 with NGB, and a top speed of 162 miles per hour. The Ioniq 5N comes with Hyundai's excellent 5-year warranty with unlimited mileage, surpassing the standard 3-year coverage most brands offer. While Kia provides 7 years, it's capped at 100,000 miles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up and share. See you next.